Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine, if you can, a future where artificial intelligence not only exists but thrives. How different would that world look from the one we inhabit today? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that has been buzzing around for a while now. But what is it really? At its core, AI is the science of making machines smart. It's about creating systems that can perform tasks that would usually require human intelligence. Tasks like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, learning from experience, and making decisions. The journey of AI has been a fascinating one, evolving from simple rule-based systems to complex learning machines. Today, we have what's known as narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, like voice recognition. These systems are incredibly good at what they do, but they lack the ability to understand or learn anything outside of their specific function. Then we have general AI, machines that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. This is the kind of AI you see in science fiction, the sentient, self-aware entities. But we're not quite there yet. And then there's the concept of superintelligent AI, a type of intelligence that surpasses human abilities in practically every field. This is a future that we can only speculate about, a future that both excites and terrifies. The current state of AI technology is impressive, yet still in its infancy. AI is changing the game in many fields, from healthcare to finance to transportation. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, assisting financial institutions in detecting fraud, and enabling self-driving cars to navigate traffic. But it's not without its limitations. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, and it still struggles with tasks that humans find easy, like understanding sarcasm or recognizing objects in a cluttered room. As we stand on the brink of an AI revolution, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the changes that lie ahead? Because like it or not, the dawn of AI is here, and it's reshaping our world in ways we're only beginning to understand. Artificial intelligence is not some distant future concept. It is here, and it is transforming the world as we know it. To begin with, let's look at healthcare. AI is revolutionizing this sector, enabling doctors to diagnose diseases with greater precision. Machine learning algorithms sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns that might be missed by the human eye. In addition, AI contributes to treatment planning by analyzing patient data and predicting how different treatments might affect their health condition. In the finance sector, AI is making significant strides too. It's being used to detect fraudulent transactions, a task that would be extremely time-consuming and prone to error if done by humans. AI systems can analyze millions of transactions in a split second, highlighting any that seem suspicious. Furthermore, algorithmic trading powered by AI is changing the face of stock markets. These automated systems can make trading decisions based on a set of predefined rules, often executing trades at a speed and frequency that is beyond human capability. Moving over to transportation, we witness autonomous vehicles making headlines. These self-driving cars, equipped with AI, are designed to navigate through traffic, obey traffic rules, and make decisions in real time, all without human intervention. This technology holds the potential to drastically reduce traffic accidents and improve road safety. In the realm of entertainment, AI is working behind the scenes to curate personalized content. Ever wondered how streaming platforms seem to know exactly what kind of show you'd like to watch next? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing habits and preferences to recommend content that aligns with your taste. These examples illustrate the profound impact of AI on our society. But with this transformative power comes a host of ethical considerations. The rise of AI brings with it a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas that we as a society must grapple with. As we delve into this complex realm, we must acknowledge that AI, like any powerful tool, can be a double-edged sword. Let's first consider privacy issues. AI systems have an insatiable appetite for data, feeding on our digital footprints to optimize their performance. But where do we draw the line between beneficial personalization and invasive surveillance? Who gets to decide what's private and what's not? These are questions that demand immediate attention. Then there's the issue of algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from data, and if this data is biased, the AI will be too. This can lead to unfair outcomes, ranging from discriminatory hiring practices to biased law enforcement. We must strive for transparency and fairness in our algorithms, acknowledging that technology is not inherently neutral. Next, let's consider job displacement. As AI systems become more competent, they threaten to automate many jobs, especially those involving routine tasks. While this may increase efficiency, it could also deepen social inequalities, leaving behind those without the skills to compete in an AI-driven world. We must ensure that the benefits of AI are shared widely, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. Finally, there's the question of autonomous decision-making. As AI systems grow more sophisticated, they are increasingly entrusted with decisions that have significant consequences, from diagnosing illnesses to driving cars. But can we trust machines to always make the right call? And who should be held accountable when they don't? These ethical implications underscore the need for robust ethical frameworks and regulations. We must navigate the AI landscape with a compass that points towards fairness, transparency, and accountability. We must also foster a culture of critical reflection and public dialogue, recognizing that the decisions we make today will shape the AI of tomorrow. The ethical challenges posed by AI are complex and multifaceted, requiring thoughtful deliberation and action. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we must strive to harness the power of AI responsibly, ensuring a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. As we look to the future, the possibilities of AI are both exciting and daunting. The journey into the unknown is always a thrilling venture, and the future of artificial intelligence is no exception. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, we can only imagine what advancements lie on the horizon. One of the most tantalizing prospects is the development of superintelligent AI. This is a form of artificial intelligence that surpasses human intelligence in every conceivable way, from general wisdom and scientific creativity to social skills and practical wisdom. Imagine a world where AI can predict and mitigate natural disasters, solve complex mathematical problems in the blink of an eye, or even develop cures for diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. The potential benefits are immense, but so are the challenges and risks. The development of superintelligent AI could lead to an unprecedented power imbalance. If not properly managed, it could result in job displacement on a massive scale, an erosion of privacy, and even the potential for autonomous weapons. These are serious concerns that must be addressed head-on. As we consider these future scenarios, it's crucial for each of us to reflect on our own views about the role AI should play in our society. Do we want a future where AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment? Or do we want to set limits to its application to preserve certain aspects of human life from automation? The answers to these questions will shape the future of artificial intelligence and, in turn, the future of our societies. It's a conversation that involves us all, from tech developers to policymakers, educators to everyday citizens. As we navigate the uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, it is up to us to shape its path, ensuring it serves as a tool for progress and prosperity, rather than a source of discord and disparity.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level C2. Autonomous. Autonomous, having the freedom to govern itself or control its own affairs, often used to describe machines or systems that operate independently. Example: autonomous vehicles, which can drive themselves without human intervention, raise important ethical questions about safety and accountability. Algorithmic bias. Algorithmic bias, a situation where algorithms produce systematically prejudiced results due to erroneous assumptions in the machine learning process. Example: algorithmic bias can lead to unfair treatment in areas like hiring or law enforcement, reinforcing existing societal inequalities. Machine learning. Machine learning, a field of computer science that uses statistical techniques to give computer systems the ability to learn from data, without being explicitly programmed. Example: machine learning is a core technology in AI that enables systems to improve their performance on tasks over time. Data privacy. Data privacy, the aspect of information technology that deals with the ability an organization or individual has to determine what data in a computer system can be shared with third parties. Example: as AI systems require massive amounts of data, concerns about data privacy and how personal information is used and protected have become more significant. Ethical framework. Ethical framework, a set of ethical standards and principles that guide decision-making and practices. In AI, this refers to the guidelines that help ensure the technology is used responsibly. Example, developing a robust ethical framework for AI is crucial to manage potential risks and ensure that the technology benefits society as a whole.